How to remove your profile picture on YouTube channel. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In today's episode, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can remove your profile picture from your YouTube channel. So then to begin with, check your internet connection and then open up a web browser of your choice, and on the web address bar type in studio.youtube.com. Now this is going to take you to the YouTube channel. As you can see, this is basically the interface is going to look like. So as you can see right on top, this is particularly my YouTube profile right now. So in order to change it, just tap on it once more time. After you double tap on it, this is going to take you to the channel customization page. So if you want to make changes with your profile picture, then click on the change button, or if you don't want any profile picture, then click on the remove button. So for now, I'm just going to tap on change. So after that, you'll need to select the picture that you want to add it as a profile picture. Now for example, I'm just gonna go with this one and then tap on the open button. Now you'll need to adjust the size as well and click on the done button after you're done making changes. As you can see that the profile picture has been changed, and in order to make changes, you can just click on publish, which is right on top. After that, the profile picture has been changed. In this way, you can change your profile picture on YouTube channel. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.